In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the SendObject command to email an invoice or other report in Microsoft Access. We'll start with a quick overview so you know what to expect. In Access, the SendObject capability is the standard way to automate emails, and in VBA, it appears as docmd.sendObject. If you're not ready to write code, you can accomplish the same thing with the built-in macro designer. That's what I'll demonstrate, so you can email a report like an invoice with just a click. Open Microsoft Access and load the database that contains your report. Make sure your email application, such as Outlook, is installed and set as the default mail client on this computer. SendObject relies on that connection to actually send the message. Next, create a new macro. Go to the Create tab and choose Macro to open the macro designer. In the Action Catalog or the search box, look for Email Database Object. Drag that action into the macro or click to add it. This action is the macro equivalent of docmd.sendObject and handles exporting and emailing an object from your database. Now fill in the arguments in the property pane. Set object type to report because we're emailing a report. Choose object name and pick the specific report, such as your invoice report. For output format, PDF is a reliable choice that preserves layout and is easy for recipients to open. In the to box, you can type an address for testing, but consider using an expression that pulls the email from a form controller field like a customer's email on the current record. Add a subject that clearly identifies the report and include message text for a short professional note. If you want to see the message before it sends, set edit message to yes. If you want it to go out immediately, set it to number CC and BCC are optional, and you can leave template file blank unless you're using a specialized email template. Save the macro and give it a clear name so you'll recognize it later. To trigger it with a button, open your form in Design View, add a command button or select an existing one, open the property sheet, and on the Event tab, set the on-click event to your new macro. Switch to Form View and test by clicking the button. If Outlook opens a draft, review and send. If you chose not to edit, it should send directly. If you see an error, double check your email client setup and that the report name and arguments are correct. That's it. Your Access report can now be emailed with a single click.